In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Notion with GitHub step by step so you can connect your workspace with your repositories and streamline your workflow. This is incredibly useful for developers, project managers, and teams who want to track issues, pull requests, and code updates directly inside Notion. By the end of this video, you'll have GitHub connected to Notion in just a few minutes. And before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. Once you're inside Notion, look at the left sidebar and click on the workspace that you want to connect with GitHub. This is important because integrations are applied at the workspace level, so double-check you're selecting the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or personal workspaces. After selecting your workspace, the next step is to open the settings. To do this, click on the Settings option in the sidebar. This will open up your workspace settings, where you can manage members, permissions, and integrations. Take a moment to confirm again that you're in the right workspace before moving forward. Inside the Settings panel, look for the option called Connections. Click on Connections to view all the apps and tools that can be linked with Notion. This is where Notion lets you connect external services like Google Drive, Slack, and of course, GitHub. Once you're in the Connections section, click on See All. This will expand the full list of available integrations that Notion supports. Scroll through the list until you find GitHub. Notion organizes these integrations clearly, so GitHub should be easy to spot. Now, click on GitHub. When you do this, Notion will prompt you to connect your GitHub account. If you're not already logged into GitHub in your browser, you'll be asked to sign in first. Go ahead and log in using the GitHub account you want to connect to Notion. After logging in, GitHub will ask you to authorize Notion. This authorization allows Notion to access certain GitHub data, such as repositories, issues, and pull requests, depending on how you plan to use the integration. Carefully review the permissions, then click Authorize to complete the connection. Once authorization is complete, your GitHub account is now successfully connected to Notion. You can start using GitHub integrations inside your Notion pages, such as linking repositories, embedding issues, or syncing development progress with your project dashboards. This makes it much easier to keep your documentation and development work in one place. And that's it. You've now learned how to integrate Notion with GitHub quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.